During manual slide scanning with mvSlide, the operator remains in direct control of focus throughout the scan. This is particularly valuable for uneven specimens, high-resolution objectives, or setups in which the optimal focal plane may change across the slide. mvSlide combines several complementary tools and settings to help the operator maintain focus throughout the scanning process, which is shown in this tutorial. First of all, let us look at focus control using the live camera image. Before you start scanning, use the live camera image to make sure that the specimen is clearly in focus. The primary way to control focus is the live camera image. The focus indicator bar provides an additional visual reference and helps the operator recognize changes while scanning. If needed, the operator can adjust the focus directly using the microscope's focus knob. Next, it is shown how to activate the optional Magnified Detail View. For an even closer view, the optional Magnified Detail View can be activated in the advanced settings. Its size can be adjusted to match the display being used. A smaller view is usually sufficient on a laptop, while larger monitors allow a larger detail window. The window enlarges the center of the live camera image, making subtle focus differences easier to recognize. It can be switched on or off according to the operator's preference, and is especially helpful on lower resolution displays. Now, let us see how areas scanned out of focus can be corrected. If an area is nevertheless captured out of focus, the scan does not need to be restarted. Simply stop scanning, correct the focus, and scan the affected area again. mvSlide replaces the corresponding tiles automatically. Finally, we will look at how adjusting the condenser aperture can increase the depth of focus. With high-NA objectives, slightly reducing the condenser aperture increases the depth of focus and reduces the sensitivity of the scan to small variations in the focal plane. Closing the aperture reduces brightness and may reduce resolution, so adjust it only as far as image quality remains acceptable. Whenever the condenser aperture is changed, readjust the camera brightness and save the configuration as a new preset. Also, generate new shading compensation for that preset. Together, these tools give the operator direct and flexible control of focus during scanning. Further mvSlide tutorials are available on the Microvisioneer YouTube channel.